Hello good people, it's your girl Victimela from MSD and we are back with another tutorial video. So in today's video we'll be doing algebra for grade 9 and 10 conducted by Tutor Matume. So guys, always get prepared with your study material because it's time for you to get educated. Let's get to the lesson, guys.
Hi guys, I'm doing algebraic expressions with you. I'll be explaining the basic concept of algebra, which is addition and subtraction of like terms, multiplication and division. I'm sure after this video, you'll be able to add x and x. So let's start guys. Addition and subtraction of like terms. Like terms, guys. Like terms have the same base and same exponents in order to be added or subtracted. It means you can only add or subtract like terms. Like terms have same base and exponent in order to be added or subtracted. So it means you can only add or subtract like terms. So 2a to the power n. A is the base, n is the exponent, 2 is the coefficient. The coefficient is the number that is attached to the base. So like terms, y plus y, same base, same exponent. Y plus y is equals to 2y. Why? Because we can only add or subtract like terms. Like terms, they have the same base and the same exponent. X squared plus x squared. We have the same base and same exponent. It means it's going to be 2x squared. So like terms, same base, same exponents in order to be added or subtracted. So I'm giving you two important statements, guys. When the sign are the same, you must add and take that sign. When the sign are the same, you must add and take that sign. Like terms, same base, same exponent. It means negative x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 3. Remember, like terms, we check the base and exponents. So the sign are the same, it's negative and negative. So it's going to be negative 3x to the power 3. Why? Because we have the same base and the same exponent, and the sign are the same. Negative 2x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. So negative 2x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4. We have the same base and same exponent, like terms, and the sign are the same. We add and we take the sign. It's going to be negative 3x to the power 4. So 5y to the power 2 plus 3y to the power 2. Like terms, they have the same base and same exponents. Then the sign are the same. It's positive and positive, which is going to be 5 plus 3 is 8y squared. So like terms, same base and same exponents. You can say xy squared plus 6 plus 6xy squared. We check, guys, we have the same base, x and y. Same base, x and y. X to the power of 1, x to the power of 1. So y squared, y squared. Like terms, why? Because the base and exponents are the same. It's going to be 7xy squared. So if another example, add ab plus 3ab. We have the same base and exponents. Same base and exponents is going to be 4ab. So when the sign are the same, you must add and take that sign. When the sign are not the same, you must minus and take the sign of the bigger number. When the sign are not the same, you must minus and take the sign of the bigger number. Take the sign of the bigger number. It means 2x minus x. Like terms, they have the same base and same exponents. The sign are not the same, it's positive and negative. Therefore, we minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 2. So it's going to be x. Y to the power 3 minus 2y to the power 3. Same base and same exponents. The sign are not the same. We minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. It's going to be negative y to the power 3. When the sign are not the same, you minus and you take the sign of the bigger number. So 4x squared y cubed minus 3x squared y cubed. Check, the base are the same. Sorry, it's y cubed, y to the power 3, and also exponents are the same. X squared y cubed, x squared y cubed. So they are like terms. The sign are not the same. Therefore, we minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. Is going to be x squared y cubed. So another example, they can say 5ab squared minus 7ab squared. The base are the same, exponents are the same. The sign are not the same. We minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. It's going to be 5 minus 7 is negative 2ab squared. Another example, guys, when the sign are not the same, we minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. 6x to the power 4 y to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 y to the power 5. Check, we have the same base, we have the same exponents. Therefore, like terms, the sign are not the same, positive and negative. We minus and we take the sign of the bigger number. 10 minus 6 is 4. The sign of the bigger number is negative, so it's going to be negative 4x to the power 4 y to the power 5. I've explained the concept of addition and subtraction of like terms. Now I'm going to do multiplication. Multiplication. When we multiply the same base we must add the exponents. When we multiply same base, we add exponents. So x to the power n multiplied by x to the power m. Same base, we add the exponents. It's going to be x to the power n plus m. So y to the power 2 multiply by y to the power 3. We're multiplying the same base. We add the exponents. So it's going to be y to the power 2 plus 3, which is the same as y to the power 5. The statement: when you multiply same base, you must add the exponents. You must add exponents. It means x y multiplied by x y. We're multiplying same base, therefore we add the exponent. It's going to be x to the power 1 plus 1 y to the power 1 plus 1, which is the same as x to the power 2 y to the power 2. So now they can say multiply 2x to the power 3 multiplied by 4x to the power 2. So check, when we multiplying same base, we add the exponents. So 2 times 4 is going to be 8. X to the power 3 times x to the power 3 is x to the power 3 plus 2, which is the same as 8x to the power 5. Another example, guys. When we multiply, they can say multiply a squared b multiplied by 5a squared b. So it's going to be, it's 5 times 1, because the coefficient is 1, then it's going to be a to the power 2 plus 2. No, sorry guys, I made a mistake. When we multiply a squared b times 5a squared b, it's going to be 5 times 1 is 5. A squared times a squared is going to be a to the power 2 plus 2, b to the power 1 plus 1, which is the same as 5a to the power 4 b squared. So now I'm doing division, guys. When you divide same base, you must minus exponents. It means a to the power n divided by a to the power m is going to be a to the power n minus m. When we're dividing the same bases, we minus the exponents. So a to the power n divided by a to the power m. When we're dividing same base, we minus the exponent. Is a to the power n minus m. So x to the power 2 divided by x is going to be, the base are the same, therefore we minus the exponent. So it's x to the power 2 minus 1, which is the same as x to the power 1, which is x. X to the power 3 divided by x to the power 2 is going to be, we're dividing same base, we minus the exponent. X to the power 3 minus 2, which is the same as x to the power 1, which is x. So 2x to the power 4 divided by 4x is the same as 2x to the power 4 divided by 4x which is going to be 2 over 4 is the same as 1 over 2. When we're dividing the same base, we minus the exponent is going to be x to the power 4 minus 1, which is the same as 1 over 2 x to the power 3. So guys, I've explained the whole concept of algebraic expressions. So now let's do some problems. So first question, 3a minus 5a minus 3b squared plus b squared. So we check like terms always. So 3a, you have the base, same base and same exponent. The sign are not the same. It means we're going to minus and take the sign of the bigger number. Minus 3b squared plus b squared, same base and exponent. Therefore, the sign are not the same. We minus and take the sign of the bigger number. So it's going to be 5 minus 3 is 2. And we take the sign of the bigger number is going to be negative 2a. Like terms. So negative 3b squared plus b squared is going to be negative 3 minus plus 1, which is 2. And we take the sign of the bigger number is negative 2b squared. So now, multiplication. When we multiply the same base, we add the exponents. And negative times positive is negative. So it's going to be positive 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12 x to the power 2 plus 1 y to the power 3 plus 4. Because when we multiply in same base, we add the exponents. So it's negative 12 x to the power 3 y to the power 7. So let's check this one, guys. 2y squared plus 3y squared divided by y. So check, we have the same base here and same exponent, like terms. Therefore we add, is going to be 5y squared divided by 5. We did division. When we're dividing the same bases, we minus the exponent. So 5 over 1 is 5. Y to the power 2 minus 1, which is going to be 5y. So the last question, we have 9x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 3 all divided by 5x plus 2x squared. So check, 9x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power 3 is going to be, the sign are not the same. We minus and take the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 9. Then it's going to be 5x to the power 3 divided by 5x plus 2x squared. So now, when we dividing, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 cancel 5. Dividing same base, it's going to be x to the power 3 minus 1 plus 2x squared, which is x squared plus 2x squared. The base are the same, exponents are the same, like terms. The sign are the same. Therefore, we add is going to be 1 plus 2 is 3x to the power 2. Grade 9 and 10, I've explained the whole concept of algebraic expression. I'm sure after this video, you won't have any difficulties with adding x and y times y. Thanks.
Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope to gain some knowledge and a word of advice for you guys. In a week, or actually every day, try to make some time to practice your math, guys. If you know you're writing an exam or test, don't start to practice the day before, because trust me guys, you will bring unnecessary frustration to yourself. As Setswana says, so get prepared as soon as possible to avoid to congest many things the day before. And guys, while you're studying, avoid to drink or eat caffeinated things. Just get some pure water, fruits to stimulate your minds, and get enough sleep, guys. So that was it for today. I hope you gained some knowledge, guys, again. And then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification for new video updates, and follow us on Facebook. From me, guys, Bitumela from MSD, to you guys, till we meet again with another tutorial videos. Cheers.